it's Mimi here. Let's learn ABCD on a board. A for apple, say apple. B for ball, say ball. C for cat, say cat. D for dog, say dog. E for elephant, say elephant. F for fish, say fish. G for giraffe, say giraffe. H for horse, say horse. I for ice cream, say ice cream. J for jelly, say jelly. K for kite, say kite. L for lion, say lion. M for monkey, say monkey. N for nest, say nest. O for orange, say orange. P for parrot, say parrot. Q for queen, say queen. R for rabbit, say rabbit. S for sunflower, say sunflower. T for tiger, say tiger. U for umbrella, say umbrella. V for van, say van. W for watch, say watch. X for xylophone, say xylophone. Y for yak, say yak. Z for zebra, say zebra. Little Z